Hello, welcome back students. This is our last video for Google SketchUp. In this video we learn how to render settings, right? Till last video we have done all your modeling work and your materials. You can see I have already applied material and created some of scenes. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 and scene 4, right, with material. And you can say my shadow is changed with my changed view, right? So come to the render part. For render we need a V-Ray plugin. I hope everyone has installed V-Ray. I have given the link for my drive where V-Ray with crack is put for you, right? So please install your V-Ray. When you install your V-Ray, these tools 1 2 3 4, these tools will appear, right? This is tool, this is for your light tool, this is for your material tools, and this is for your rendering tool, right? For, don't go in depth, we just check the settings of your V-Ray. For this, go to V-Ray asset. V-Ray asset, just note down the settings you have to assign for your render. This is basic settings for your render. On your V-Ray asset, it takes some time to open. This is your V-Ray asset. This is material, light and all this geometry. This is your settings for your render. Click here, click on settings. First is your render. Click here. Everything is okay. You just everything is okay. You just click on progressive. Nothing to change. Then render output. By default, sorry, no need to on your progressive, no need to change in render anything. Direct go to render output. By default here the size of your output is I think 600 by something, right? And this is the aspect ratio, what ratio you want, size proportion of your image. According to my image, 4:3 is okay for my proportion. For this, please go to minimum 1600 by something for your good image, or 2000 something, or else according to your laptop, right? For me, I'll go for 1600 by 1200, so it's okay. Then go to environment. By default here is 1 and here is color black by default. Change this color to white. Value is 80. What is the value 80 is for? 80 is your background. I am going to apply background image. For this value is 80. If I remain it 1, no background image will be visible, right? So if you want to see the background image, then you have to increase the value of your background. And where to put your image? Click here. Here is image file. Click here. Wherever you saved your file. I have already download some of views. This is HDRI sky. You can simply go to Google and type HDR sky image. So you can find lots of images you can download according to your preference, right? This is which I have downloaded. Simply click here, open. See, this is my background sky. This is my background sky. Nothing to change. This icon is for my back, right? Again go to setting, tick on GI, global illumination, tick on GI, and again increase the setting to 80, right? Then nothing to change over here. Then click here on arrow. For here, first is your render parameter. For quality, here is subdivision change to 16 and 6. Maximum subdivision 16, shading rate 6. If there is anything else, then no need to change in any other. Here is global illumination. Global illumination. Here is, you need to click over here advanced setting, this icon. Click here. You can see more icon is appear here. Here is ambient illusion. On this, click here, change this to 60 and 0.6. 60 radius value 60 and 0.6. Make sure on this, right? Nothing to just, it is just done for your rendering, right? Now simply click here. This is your how to render your image. This is my rendering window. See, here is rendering is going on here. Preparing scene for geometry. Click this, stop this. My 4 scenes are these are my phone of 4 already rendered scenes. Look, this is scene 1 which I have rendered, scene 2, scene 3 and scene 4, right? These are my 4 rendered images. In similar way, you have also rendered 4 images from different views with only change by just to change these settings, you can achieve this result, right? I hope you can understand. And this is nearly a game of 1 hour only for 4 scenes, less than 1 hour, right? We have done only basic changes, so by this you can take 1 hour. And this is your submission, last submission, 4 render view for your last submission, right? Okay, thank you.